Next, let us solve the questions of exercise 2.2. In the first one, if A is equal to, set A is equal to, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? So let us write the given data. What is given? Given set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, then what we have to find? We have to find A intersection B. So A intersection B is equal to, add the elements of A. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection. Elements of B. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So according to the definition of intersection, only common elements we have to write. What are the common elements? 1, write 1. 1 is the element which is available in both the sets. So write that. Next to 2. 2 is also available in two sets. 3, right? 3, right? So these are the elements which are common in both the sets. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Next, now we have to find B intersection A. So that is equal to B intersection A is equal to, write the elements of B. What are the elements of B? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So what are the common elements? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So these are the common elements both the sets. Therefore, we can write B intersection A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So A intersection B is also equal to set 1, 2, 3. Therefore, can we say that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A? Yes, they are equal. That is your answer. Right, next second question, if A is equal to, set A is equal to 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, find A intersection 5, it's empty set, and A intersection A. What did you notice from the result? So let us perform the operations. Given, first we have to write the given data. What is given? A is equal to, set A is equal to 0, 2, 4. So what we have to find? A intersection 5. A intersection 5 is equal to A elements 0 to 4, intersection 5 elements. There are no elements in null set or empty set. So what are the common elements in both the sets? So in this null set there are no elements, but here we have some elements, but there are no common elements. Then we can write simply empty set or 5. So what do we get here? A intersection 5 is equal to 5 only, right? Let us solve next question. That is A intersection A is equal to, write the elements of A, 0, 2, 4, intersection. Once again you write the elements of A, 0, 2, 4, that is equal to, so both elements are common, both sets elements are common, so we can write that as 0, 2, 4. So A intersection A is equal to 0, 2, 4. But what is 0, 2, 4? It is nothing but the elements of A only, no. So we get A intersection A is equal to A. In the first question, A intersection 5 is equal to 5. So what you notice from the result? You notice from the result that A intersection 5 is equal to 5 and A intersection A is equal to A. Right, next question. Third question, if A is equal to, set A is equal to, the elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set B is equal to elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Find A minus B and B minus A. So given data, first of all we have to write given data. Given A is equal to, set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So what we have to find? We have to find A minus B. A minus B is equal to, write the elements of A, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 minus elements of B, 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Now from second set, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, you check the elements in set 1. 3, it is not there. 6, yes. The common elements we have cut. Right, next, only 6 we can cut in the 2 sets. Therefore, remaining elements of first set we have to write. So what are the remaining elements in first set? 2, 4, 8 and 10. So this is your answer. A minus B is equal to 2, 4, 8, 10. Next we have to find B minus A. Now B minus A is equal to, now write the elements of B. First you write the elements of B. What are the elements of B? 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 minus elements of A. What are the elements of A? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So only 6 we can cancel. Why? Because the common elements are only 6. So what is the answer? That is B minus A is equal to 3, 9, 12 and 15. Now observe A minus B. A minus B value, A minus B is equal to set 2, 4, 8, 10 and B minus A is equal to set 3, 9, 12, 15. That is your answer. Okay, next question, students. If A and B are two sets such that A is subset to B, then what is A union B? Explain by giving an example. Here set A and set B elements are not given, but he has given one condition. What is that? Set A is subset of set B. So we have to take the elements of A. Let A elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and B elements. So we have to follow this condition. What is the condition? A subset to B. What does it mean? Elements of A must be in set B. So all these elements we have to write. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4 and you write a few more elements. Right? So now we can say that A subset to B. Why? Because elements of A, all the elements of A are available, are present in the set B. So therefore, we can say that A subset to B. Now, what we have to find? A union B is equal to question mark. So, what we have to find? A union B. A union B is equal to, write the elements of A. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Union. Elements of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So, A union B is equal to, so according to the definition of union, we have to write in the ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are repeated. So we have to write only once. Then we get A and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a union of two sets A and B. So, but what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? These are the elements of set B. Once you observe that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the elements of set B. So we got A union B is equal to B. So therefore we can generalize one, or we can give one statement here. What is that statement? If our condition is A subset to B, if A subset to B, then we performed A union B and we got B. A union B is equal to B. So it is very, very important bit. If A subset to B, then dash. Then you have to write A union B is equal to B. So based on this, you can solve one more. If A subset to B, then what is A intersection B? So take that as homework. You try it. Next, fifth question, students. Let us read the fifth question. Let A is equal to X such that X is a natural number. Set B is equal to X such that X is an even natural number. And C is equal to, set C is equal to X such that X is an odd number. And D is equal to X such that X is a prime number. All these are given in set builder form. Now we have to write in the roster form. Then we have to perform this. Or we have to find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D and C intersection D. Okay, first we have to write the given data. So according to that condition, what is A? X says that X is a natural number. So what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is not given any, what is the terminating natural numbers are not given. So we have to write infinity natural numbers. Next, B. What is B? It is even natural number. So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Next, C. Set C is equal to X as that X is an odd number. So odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Next, D is equal to X as that X is a prime number. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, so on. These are also infinite prime numbers. Okay, there is no termination here. Right. What we have to find? First, we have to find A intersection B. So let us write the elements of A. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So this so on we have to write intersection B value, B elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Write this so on also or up to. There is no up to, just you write so on. That is equal to common elements. Intersection we have to take only common elements. What are the common elements? 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. So here we get 6 no. So 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. These are the common elements we get. Therefore, that is A intersection. First one we find. Second one, let us find second one. So let me write here A. This is B. So that is A intersection C. So let us find A intersection C. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Intersection C. C elements are 1, odd numbers 1, 3, 7, 9, so on. So that is equal to, so once again the common elements we have to write. What are the common elements? This time we can write 1, 3, 5. So these are the, here it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are the common elements 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Okay, that is A intersection C. Next, let us find third one, that is A intersection D. So A intersection D is equal to A elements. What are the elements? Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Intersection D elements. What are the D elements? Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. Now what are the common elements here? A intersection D is equal to 2 is a common number in both the sets and 3 is also there. Next to 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. So these are the common elements. So that is C bit, that is third one, A intersection D. Next B intersection, next to D1, B intersection D. So what are the elements of B? B intersection C. Next one is B intersection C. So B elements here, what are B elements? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Intersection C elements. C elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. So B intersection C is equal to, the common elements are here. There are no common elements. Why? Because one side even numbers and another set is odd numbers. Therefore, it is empty set. Or we may write B intersection C is equal to 5. Next, E bit or fifth question. What is the fifth question? What we have to find? B intersection D. So what is B intersection D? B elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Intersection D elements. What are the D elements? Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. So B intersection D is equal to 2. Only 2 is a common number. So just we get only 2. B intersection D is equal to 2. Next, last question, that is C intersection D. So we have to find C intersection D. That is C intersection D is equal to C elements. C elements are odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Intersection D elements. D elements are prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. That is equal to C intersection D is equal to, what are the common elements here? 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So on. These are the common elements. So that is your answer. Okay. Right, next sixth question. If A is equal to set A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and set B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 and D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D, C minus B and D minus B. 10 questions we have to solve. So let us write directly, let us solve. So already it is given in the question A, B, C, D. So first one. So what is first one? What we have to find? We have to find A minus B, that is equal to, what are the elements of A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus B. B elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Next. Now, what are the common elements in this 12 and 12? Only 12 is the common element, I think. Yes, only 12 is the common element. Therefore, A minus B is equal to the elements. First set elements are 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. So, this is your answer. A minus B. Second one, we have to find second one. What is second one? A minus C is equal to elements of A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus elements of C. What are the elements of C? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So what are the common elements in this? 6. Next to 12 and 18. 18 is not there. Only 12. So A minus C is equal to the remaining elements in the first set are 3, 9, 15 and 21. This is your answer. Next, third question. What is the third question? A minus D. So what is A minus D? A minus D is equal to A elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus D. D elements are, what are the D elements? 5, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, 5, 10, 15 and 20. The common elements in this are 15. Only 15. Therefore, A minus D is equal to the remaining elements of first set, that is 3, 6, 9, 12 and 18, 21. So this is your answer. Next, fourth one. What is the fourth one? Fourth question, we have to find B minus A. Fourth question is B minus A. So what is B minus A? Write the elements of B. What are the elements of B? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus A. A elements are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So what are the common elements in this? 12. Only 12 is the common element. Therefore, we can write here B minus A is equal to 4, 8, 16 and 20. Next, fifth question. What we have to find? Fifth question, C minus A. C minus A is equal to C elements. What are the C elements? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus A. A elements are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Now in this, what are the common elements? 6. Next to 12. That's it. So what are the remaining elements in first set? That are 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16. This is your answer. So we solve or we find 5 questions. Next, 5 more questions we have to find. Right, next sixth question. D minus A. So what are the elements of D? 5, 10, 15, 20 minus A. A elements are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So the common elements are only 15 common elements in both the sets. Therefore, we can write D minus A is equal to 5, 10, 20. Okay. Next, seventh question. So what is the seventh question? B minus C. Write the B elements. What are the B elements? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus C elements. C elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So the common elements are 4, 8, next to 12 and 16. Okay. So B minus C is equal to the remaining elements in the first set, it is only 20. Next, eighth question. So what is eighth question? B minus D. B minus D is equal to B elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus D 5, 10, 15, 20. So in this, what are the common elements? Only 20. We can cut in both the sets. B minus D is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. The remaining elements of the first set. Next, ninth question. C minus B is equal to C minus B is equal to. So C elements. What are the C elements? Elements of C are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus B elements 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So the common elements are 12, 8 and 4. 4, 8, 12, 16 also. So we can write C minus B is equal to 2, 6, 10, 14. Next, last question, that is 10th one. D minus B. So D minus B is equal to D value or D elements. What are the D elements? 5, 10, 15, 20 minus B elements. B elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So here the common elements are only 20. Therefore, D minus B is equal to remaining elements in the first set are 5, 10, 15. So this is your answer.